Hi guys, good morning. I just get out from the shower. I'm gonna dry my hair too. Good morning guys, and my son is right there doing sunbathing. And oh my god, I'm going to do today is my appointment to my radiologist for my sonogram, something sonogram for my totoy. Toy. One toy. To do my hinahanap ko to kasi bata. Hinahanap ko kasi nawala yung hinahanap ko yung credit card ko. At hindi ko makita. So, ang naalala ko lang, nilagay ko dito. Yung umalis kami ng asawa ko ni Tami. At saka, meron itong mga yawi. Yung susi ng bahay namin doon. Nandun lahat. So, nataranta yung asawa ko. Bakit? Saan mo? Where did you put it? And where did you put it? I said, I don't know. I remember I put it in your car. And I can't. No, it's not here. I can't find it. It's just like all the time. All the time, I'm losing my marbles. And it's just really in the... I put it in my laptop bag. At saka, hinahanap ko yung ko sa mata. Anong tawag dun guys? Yung pang eyeliner. Hinahanap ko dito. Kasi may paborito akong eyeliner. And not eyeliner, eyebrow pencil. This one here. This is the Ofra eyebrow. It's really good. I got this from when I subscribed the FC. I subscribed them for 3 months and then I give up. My hair is getting longer, guys. Look. To the doctor, guys, and Tommy is rushing and he's having a problem with this something, and it's really cold.
No, I'm sweating.
Well, the inside of the house, I don't understand why it's cold, but if you're outside, it's kind of nice, and I don't get it. So I don't know why the house is cold. Tinawagan ko na si Tommy. Sabi niya, kasi malapit lang dito sabi niya, pupunta na siya dito. Hi guys, nakabalik na ako. I'm back from my doctor's appointment. And what else going on? Yeah, so when I went to radiologist, I told them that, so left side ng totoy ko ang palaging ngungol-ngol, numb all the time. And so I told her that, so he said, oh no, we're just going to check up your right side. So yung right side ko lang ini-check up na ito. Nagbablog na si Akits. Anyway, so yun ang right side ang chini-check up niya, at sabi niya wala, pagtingin niya wala namang na changes. Yung asawa ko, guys, galit na galit sa dalawa niyang laptop. Sobrang galit. Muntik na niyang itatapon. He almost threw his 2 laptops out because he's so upset. Laptop won't work. I think it's not the laptop, it's the hard drive is the one that's having problems. So, but every time he's pissed, he's like that, like, don't walk away from me. Hubs, don't walk away from me, Hubs. Where are you? Where are you, Hubs? I need to cut your nails. Oh, he's on top of me. Oh, you're on top of me. Ayun daw, Mama. Hobbs? What are you doing in Mama's back? Hobbs? What are you doing in Mama's back, Abdi boy? Oh, gee. I'm lying down here because I want to take a nap. My eyes hurting. I think because it's too much using phone and laptop, and I don't have the eyeglasses. I really bought that eyeglasses just because of like the editing and stuff like that. And also I noticed if you hear some noise, because this camera get a lot of noise from the surroundings, even the outside, but there's some construction in the other side. They're digging the street. I noticed that I have this addiction. Every morning, the first thing when I open my eyes, no matter what time, like 3, usually like I open my eyes 2 and then 4, like that. And the first thing I have to look is the cell phone. Bad habit. I try to just like, I have this eagerness. For example, I have halves lying down over here and I can't move, and the phone is charging over there in the counter. I kind of like eagerness that how can I get up to get the phone, and I'm just thinking, oh my god, I have that mentality now. Not mentality, I have that thing that I have to use the phone the first thing I open my eyes. Bad idea. So I have to control and slow down doing it. I have an eyebrows pain, and I think that's the part of the headache also. A headache. I have to take a nap, and I will see you later. I have to take a nap because later tonight, 8 o'clock something, my sister-in-law will... What are you doing, Hubs? There's no treats in there. She's looking in the treats. Hey, wala ng treats, Hubs. Binigyan na kita ng dry food, uy. The cell phone. Really bad thing. But anyway, I'm gonna close my eyes. So yun lang guys, matulog muna ako, pahinga. Wala namang hintayin ko na lang yung resulta sa pagpa-check up ko. Pero sabi ng nag-asikaso sa akin, hindi naman tumutubo, ganun pa rin, no changes. So I'm good with that. So my husband Tommy said that okay lang, walang problema yan, pero hintayin pa rin namin yung resulta. So hey guys, gabi na. Gabi. Ano ng oras? 9:34 ng gabi. At saka, yun, umalis na yung kapatid ng asawa ko at yung bata. Umalis na sila. At namimiss ko tuloy yung bata, guys. Okay, may mag-shoutout muna ako. I-shoutout ko yung nagko-comment sa video ko. Okay, shout out to Maria Barque and to Rothy Garty. You guys are always watching my vlog. And Vicky Erickson and Hazel Cancio, Cora Jackman, and Bullbrim 46. Wow, this was Bullbrim. It's been a long time that you haven't commenting my channel video. Thank you, Bullbrim, for your comments. Your comment is, yeah, you know what your comment is. Thank you. And Elena Ikovet, Angel Tandos, and Lina Madarang. And to Tens Meeple, hi Miles, the Tumbongera girl in YouTube. Tumbongera, and Ed and William C. Hi to you guys. Hi guys, good morning! Yeah, my sister-in-law landed in Denver last night, 2 o'clock something, and because it's almost 5-hour flight, and I'm still wearing the same thing, because you know what guys, I have only 2 sweater here because all my sweaters is in my house and in the other house, and so, but it's washed guys, it's not dirty, it's just keep washing it, especially when I do barbecuing outside. When I do barbecue, I can smell all the you know, the smoke and stuff. And so wash. I am cleaning up the mess of the living room because it's crazy. The mess is all the mess. The mess among the rest. Do you wanna go out? Okay, let's go out. This dog. What is today? There is a gardener outside in the neighbor. And Roxy is kinda nervous. She's afraid of everything. Roxy is afraid of everything. Clean up. This dog is afraid of everything. This cellophane, they're afraid of this. They ran away already. I don't like this. That's why they don't like it. Clean up. Everybody, everywhere. Where are you? Okay. So I'm done with the vacuuming, but I have to clean up one couch because Tommy was lying down over there, so I need to. No, don't do Daddy's wire. Daddy will get really mad if you do his wire thing. Okay, Rox. So he's like stuck over here. And I cover, for the meantime, I cover this couch, especially on top, because that's where the cat walk, lie down sometimes. And so thanks to Hermie Hernandez, she's a nurse in Las Vegas, in LA. She's a nurse in LA, right? So shout out to Remy Hernandez. Hi sis, thank you so much for the nice message. Thanks for the advice, and thank also for watching my vlog, and thank you for friending me on Facebook, and also yeah, thanks for all the nice messages. And hi to William Eds Champman. Hi, thank you for watching, and thank you for the comments. And Cha O Bena on Facebook. Hi sis, thank you for subscribing my channel, and I subscribe your channel also. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the message. And Eric Patis or Pits, I'm sure this is Gina P. Hi Gina P, I know. And hi to Riley again, and to Riz. Thank you guys so much for watching. Tickle. Hi lovely mom Amora, and to Silsa de la Puerta Clemens, thank you for the comments. So right now I'm done cleaning up, but as you can see, there's still a lot of boxes and stuff everywhere, but at least I vacuum. And yeah, so the dog is right there relaxing, and somebody's here. I think it's Dimples. So yeah, so I'm still washing the cover. This cover here is not for this. It's not for the rocking chair over there. But yeah, so I clean up or no kalat. Wala naman masyadong ganap today and I'm just doing the laundry. So yun. Tonight, hindi ako pwedeng kumakain and from 12 to tomorrow afternoon until dinner. Oh my god, I'm magugutom ako nito, guys. Ay, ginoo ko. Magugutom ako nito 12 o'clock to midnight tonight and tomorrow until the appointment is done. This is cray. Because tomorrow my appointment is people coming over in this house to, how do you call that, to do something, to do my thing, a physical examination for the insurance. They have to make sure that you don't have a, something in your body